This video is to show you how to set up your student iPad with your T-Mobile MiFi. First, take out the MiFi and locate the power button on front. Press and hold the power button till the welcome screen shows. It may take about 2 minutes for the welcome screen to go away. Once it goes away, please wait will show. And once the please wait goes away, T-Mobile should show and the MiFi should be turned on. Next, turn on your iPad. Next, go to Settings. Locate the Wi-Fi option. Make sure the Wi-Fi is on and look for your SSID name on your iPad. Click on it and it'll ask for the password. The password will be behind the MiFi. Type in the password and click join. Your iPad should be connected now to your MiFi. You will have a VPN and a Wi-Fi icon. Use the Google Classroom to log in your student. Thank you.